Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating not working in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection can stop Facebook dating from loading. Step 2. Make sure Facebook dating is available. Facebook dating only works in supported countries and for users who meet the eligibility requirements. Open the Facebook app, then tap on menu. Check if dating appears. If it's missing, it may not be available for your account yet. Step 3. Close and reopen the Facebook. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Find Facebook dating, swipe it up to fully close the Facebook app, then reopen it. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. If dating still isn't working, restart your iPhone. This clears temporary system glitch that can affect Facebook app. Step 5. Update the Facebook app. First open the App Store, then search for Facebook app. If an update is available, install it. Step 6. Check location service. Facebook dating requires location access. First go to the settings, then privacy and security, then location service, then Facebook, and make sure location is set to while using the app or always. Step 7. Delete and reinstall the Facebook. If nothing works, delete the Facebook app, restart your phone, then reinstall it from App Store and set up Facebook dating again. And that's how you can fix Facebook dating not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.